Brian Johnson with Transwest Truck Trailer RV out in Kansas City, Missouri. Today I'm going to show you the 2018 Phaeton 37BH bath and a half floor plan with the 380 horsepower Cummins with the maroon coral full body paint and the amber glazed cabinets with the tranquil interior. This is a new floor plan for Phaeton. It's got the keyless entry, step out. You got flex steel leather furniture with the amber glazed cabinetry. This is the dual sofa with the televator coming up behind the TV. You got nice kitchen countertop space with the Fisher Paykel dishwasher with the pull-out island. You got your buffet table with the computer work desk, residential refrigerator with the pull-out pantry. The 37BH is a bath and a half floor plan. So you have your mid bath here, which makes this floor plan unique for Tiffin is this full wall slide is new for 2018. Stretches the full length of the coach, really opens the width of the center of the coach, giving you lots of room with the king size bed and your rear bath with the big shower and a seat. Stackable washer dryer, full porcelain tile, heated floors. This is a nice coach for the money. If you have any questions, please call me, Brian Johnson, at Transwest RV, Kansas City, Missouri. Thank you.